Hi, writers. This week has been fun to talk about our own opinions after we read a story or something together. I've loved hearing what you think about the little ant and Sophie Squash. And I know yesterday we read about the great kapok tree, and there was something at the end I didn't show you. It was an opinion letter that the author included to try to get people to help the rainforest, just like we've been doing. Dear readers, I wrote The Great Kapok Tree to let the world know what happens to the rainforest creatures and to the entire planet when rainforests are destroyed. I hope that after reading this book, you will help save the rainforests. The Great Kapok Tree is about the Amazon rainforest, a tropical rainforest, but we have a temperate rainforest in the Pacific Northwest of the United States that we must protect too. Please care for Mother Earth. Together we can make a difference. Lynn Cherry. So she mentioned the temperate rainforest. That's the rainforest that's close to us, like Oregon and Washington, and there's even some in California too. So the rainforest is one habitat that we have talked about. Remember, habitat is a home where a plant or animal lives. There's other habitats besides the rainforest, though. So what habitats can you remember? Or can you think of? We did look at them a little bit the other day in our trees book. But if you think about it, what other types of places are there to live in besides a rainforest? If you're thinking about a person, you might be thinking about a town or a city, but let's think a little bit more like if you're an animal. There are deserts. There's a normal forest, not one that gets a lot of rain. So deserts, forest, the ocean. There's freshwater habitats, which are like lakes or rivers or ponds. It's called freshwater because the ocean has salty water. So those are two different types of habitats. There's grasslands where it's just like big open fields of grass and not a lot of trees like a forest. And then there's rainforests. Oh, and there's the Arctic, like the North Pole or the South Pole where things are icy. So I'm going to include two videos today, not one that I made, but it will talk to you more about different habitats. And then if you can do the Brain Pop Junior, that has information about all of those habitats we just talked about. So you could think about one that really interests you and click on it and then decide, was it what I thought it would be? If not, pick a different one. But what I want us to do today for Writer's Workshop is give your opinion about which habitat do you like the best. So maybe you really like hot weather. Do you know what habitat would be good for you? Would it be the Arctic? No, the desert. So you could say, first tell your opinion and then give your reasons. I like the desert. Now, you could sound this word out, or if you're reading about the desert on Brain Pop, you could copy the letters from your screen. So D, I'm pretending I'm copying the letters E, S, E, R, T. I like the desert best. B, S, T. So is that my opinion or is that a reason? That's my opinion. Now I have to give a reason why. Maybe I'll say I like the sun. Maybe you like cactus. You could say that. Maybe you like snakes. You could say that. Maybe you like bats. You could say that. Maybe you like sand. So you talk about which type of habitat you like the best. You could pretend you're an animal too if you want. And then give me 2 reasons why you think that's the best habitat. Okay? And then you can add a picture too. So set your timer for 15 minutes and have fun being a biologist and a super writer all at the same time. Thank you.